Here's a quick video on how to change the PCV valve on a 2018 Tahoe, which has the 5.3 motor. And this applies to probably any GM vehicle with the 5.3 on trucks. So basically what happens is this intake box comes out. So you press on this and unhook it there. Do the same on this side. Press it from top or bottom. I think it's the top here. Unhook that and remove with the screwdriver this thing here and just pop it out of there. Do the same up here. Once you do all four, this whole thing just pops out. Okay. And the PCV valve is located right there. That right there. And of course I already done it, but basically this right here is hooked onto that like that, and you just unhook that, comes out, and then you use a 24-inch socket wrench with an extension and just undo this, and that'll help you get the PCV valve out. There's the old valve, and this one's still good, but these things are $8-9 a pop, and the truck has close to 90,000 miles, and I'm gonna go ahead and replace it with basically a GM part. That's basically, is that a part number? There's the part number there. And it's basically the same exact part. And see, that's a good valve if it rattles. This one rattles about the same, but the sound is just a little bit different. But both of them are working. The PCV is such an important part of your crankcase, pressuring and so forth, that don't skimp on this. Get this done, otherwise you're going to start blowing out your rear main seals and maybe valve gaskets. It's just not worth the pain, given how easy it is to get this done. So basically just apply some oil around here to the seal here, screw it back in, and just repeat with everything in reverse, and you should be good to go. Thanks. Here's a little plus. Once you're done with all that, you can come back and plug in a scanner like this, look at the, well, there's an option to look at the live data, and once that loads up, just make sure your short-term and long-term fuel terms are looking good. As long as they're within 10%, you haven't disconnected any vacuum lines or anything like that. So once that's just a extra little plus if you want to do that. Thank you.